Hey everybody, I'm going to be sharing with you the best Pokemon Go Spoofer out there that you guys are going to be able to download on iOS and Android for completely free, no jailbreak required. And with this Pokemon Go Spoofer, there's a lot that is going to be available with this like Pokemon Go hack or mod or whatever you guys want to call it. As you guys can see, the Spoofer is called Pokemon Go Plus Plus. It's basically like a modded version of Pokemon Go. I'm going to show you guys how to install it later in the video. The first thing I want to go ahead and do is open it up and show you guys how the app works, like show you some features of it, show you an example of me actually using it, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys how to install it on your iOS and Android devices for completely free. So right off the bat, I just want to show you guys the mod menu. As you can see, we have all of these features to go ahead and work with. We have the Spoofer, which I know is one of the most popular. That's why they keep that one at the top. We have the Joystick. A lot of people use this one as well. We have the 100% catch rate, IV checker, the Pokemon tracker, the multi-account, which allows you to farm other accounts as well, which is pretty cool because you can actually go ahead and farm these accounts with the automated bot and go ahead and later sell them to other people. Like sometimes you can actually sell them for a good amount of money. Like one of the accounts I farmed for about 3 weeks, I got a bunch of Pokemon on it, like using the automated bot, and I was actually able to sell the account for $80, and it's completely automated in $80, like with the automated bot. So like let's say you did 10 accounts like that. In 3 weeks, you can go ahead and make literally $500 to $1,000 just selling Pokemon Go accounts that you automated with the Pokemon Go Spoofer. Obviously, you would need more phones though to go ahead and set that all up. So you probably want to buy a couple of phones, but you can get some cheap phones off eBay anyways to go ahead and do that. But let's say we wanted to go ahead and turn on one of the options, right? Like you literally just tap on it, and then you tap on like the name, and then it will open up like the settings or whatever specifically for that like feature. So yeah, we have the Spoofer on now. We also have the anti-ban, which is always on, and basically that allows you to go ahead and bypass any bans that might be placed on your account, or shadow bans too. But the other really cool feature I want to show you guys is this right here. So you see I'm in the like item shop, and basically you're able to get unlimited Pokecoins and any item you want for free. So let's say we wanted to go ahead and get ourselves 800 Pokecoins and 200 Pokeballs for free. Currently we have 0 Pokecoins, so we don't have any money. But if we just go ahead and tap on it, as you guys can see, we're getting free Pokecoins every single time, guys. So it's pretty cool. We're now at 3,200, and we're able to go ahead and get ourselves free Pokecoins, guys, every single time with this method. So now that I showed you guys how this app works, now I'll go ahead and show you all exactly how to install this like Pokemon Go mod menu onto your iOS and Android devices for completely free. It's really easy to install, but it will take us a couple of minutes because it's not like an app you can find on the App Store or the Google Play Store. So I'll go ahead and show you guys now how to install it. So the first thing that we have to go ahead and do, guys, is if you're on an iOS device, we're just going to want to open up the settings app. If you're on Android, we also have to go ahead and like do something on the Android devices, but first I'll show you guys what to do on iOS. So go ahead and open up the settings app and scroll down until you find battery. So as you guys can see, battery is going to be right here. And we're just going to want to make sure that you guys have the low power mode option turned off. So as you guys can see, we have the low power mode option turned off right now. And yep, that is off. And then once you guys have done that, the next thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is go over to General. And in General, you guys are going to want to go ahead and look for the option that says About. So you're just going to tap on About, and it's going to pull up like all the specific details of your iOS device. But what you guys are going to want to go ahead and do is look at your software version of your iOS device and simply make sure that you're above iOS 10. So as you guys could clearly see, I'm on iOS 14.3, which means I'm good to go and I can install the Pokemon Go Plus Plus hack without any issues. But basically, if you're below iOS 10, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is you will have to go over to software update, and you will have to go ahead and upgrade your iOS device in order to go ahead and download the Pokemon Go Plus Plus. Now, most of you guys watching this video probably will not have to worry about this because you're going to be above iOS 10 to begin with. Since below iOS 10 is such an old iOS version that, yeah, you're probably not going to have to worry about it. Now, if you guys are on an Android device, we also have to change some settings. So go ahead and open up the settings app on your Android device, guys. And you're going to want to go ahead and look for the setting that says battery. So as you can see, battery is going to be right here, and we're just going to go ahead and tap on it. And you guys are simply going to want to make sure that you have the battery saver option turned off. So as you can see, we have that off, and that's perfect. And yeah, now if you guys can't find this setting, you could actually just skip it instead of worrying about it. So it's not mandatory on the Android devices like how the iOS settings are mandatory. But now that we've done all that stuff, guys, we are now ready to download Pokemon Go++. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys exactly how to get the app. So, like I said, it is a tweaked app, which means you can't get it from the App Store or the Google Play Store. So the only way we can actually go ahead and install Pokemon Go++ is actually from this website called uluhub.com. So once again, guys, that's uluhub.com. And basically with this site, we're able to download like tweaked apps and games for completely free. So just head on over to this site. And once you guys are here, you're going to want to use the search bar and just type in Pokemon Go. And there is the site right there, guys, Pokemon Go++ on uluhub.com. What we're going to want to go to do now is just tap on the app. It's going to say injection required or whatever. Just going to tap the start button. And now we just got to wait for this to load. Give it about like 5 to 15 seconds, depending on how fast your internet is. And then once this loads up, it will take us to the final part of the install of the app, guys. And then we will have the Pokemon Go++ installed. So, yeah. This is what will load up. It's going to be the last step. It's going to say like missing files. So we're going to tap go. It's going to explain to you how to install it. I already know how to do it though, but I'll go ahead and show you guys. So you're going to see like a bunch of offers on this list, or like apps, I like to call them. And what you have to go ahead and do is complete every single one of them. So the instructions are going to be below the app name or the offer name, and you have to go to complete like exactly as it says for each offer that you see here. Usually there's going to be only like 3 to 4 offers, so this shouldn't take you that long. Probably like 5 minutes at most to do this. So yeah, if we go over to one of the offers, right, for example, IRL social calendar, and read what it says, you know, it says download and sign up. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Now, I'm not going to do all the offers, as I don't want to make this video like very long, but basically you guys will have to do all the apps, and once that's done, you will be completed and Pokemon Go++ will be installed, guys. So that's going to be pretty much like how you guys go ahead and do this tutorial. It's pretty simple. Just do all the offers and Pokemon Go++ will be installed, guys. And that's going to be it for the video. So enjoy the Pokemon Go Spoofer, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, everybody.